my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Nicole. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is supposed to be a grocery haul, and it is kind of a grocery haul, but it's like a 2K grocery haul. Okay, so last week we spent 2K on mostly meat and some other stuff like sugar and stuff like that, but I didn't vlog that, and I didn't vlog like a haul afterwards. So this is 2K on top of what we already bought, so this is basically just filling in for what we didn't get last week. And then we're gonna have more money, I think another 2K, and we're gonna go out tomorrow. Actually less than that, actually probably like 1.5 or something. So at Makro we spent a total of 2.6 today. We're gonna go back tomorrow, and when we go back I will definitely bring you along because I actually want to show you some of the price drops. I don't know if it's like a Black Friday thing, but the prices have significantly dropped on some items that were like crazy priced before. So I will bring you along and hopefully get some footage of that. But yeah, if you want to see what we got for groceries, then just keep on watching. Actually, grocery fillers. If you want to see what we got to like fill in for the groceries that we bought, then just keep on watching. Quick disclaimer, I'm not feeling too well. That was very nasally. I'm not feeling too well, so if my voice sounds a little weird, that's why. But I'm going to show you everything that we got regardless. So starting down here, we have 2 of these 4kg packets of Omo Auto washing powder, and this was $1.90 for both packets. And then this was a big find, 24 pack, which we normally get 18s. I've never seen this 24 pack for Baby Soft. This cost $109 for 1 packet, so we got 2 of them. We're gonna go back tomorrow and get another 2. I think it's for Black Friday, though. I saw a sign above where they were sitting, and I know that they were the dates on that sign said the 20th, but I could be mistaken on that. I will try and get a clip of it tomorrow. But we got 2 of those. In the front here we have some peach slices in syrup. We have chili beef stock cubes, and then we have a ton of soups. Let me organize them quickly. Okay, packet of soups in my hand here. Actually, let me start with these. This stack has cream of chicken soups. I'm pretty sure there's like 6 over there. And then we have some brown onion. We have 2 packets of those. Then we have 1 minestrone, 2 hearty beefs, and 1 beef and tomato. We kind of stocked up on those because we ran out last month. Back here we have this Nola ultra creamy mayonnaise, some Old Gold tomato sauce, my least favorite. We have some mango acha. This is the mild one. We have a tin of garden peas, basso olive oil. Back here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of these paper towels. And under here, you guys, oh my gosh, I don't know if you saw my vlog, not vlog, it was a grocery haul, but it was a couple of grocery hauls ago, maybe 2. I showed the price of these. I showed the price of this 2kg choice assorted at Makro. I showed you the price, and I'm pretty sure it was close to 500 bucks, and I was so confused as to why. So we purchased them today, and they were the retail price for them today was 179 Rand 90, which is insane because I'm pretty sure that's how much we pay for the 1kg. We have 2 Flora spreads. This chip seasoning, chip and potato, we've never had it before. We've had the Ina Parman, I think that's how you say it, Ina Parman chip seasoning, but we never had the Robinson's one. So we picked that up. We have 2 boxes of this lactose-free milk. And then behind these 2 boxes, we have cling wrap. At the back here, we have Country Crop McCain vegetables. We have a bottle of hot chocolate, a can of tomato puree, a block of Stork margarine, some garlic here in the front, spices. We have mixed herbs, cumin over here, coriander, and chicken spice. Then over here we have 2 blocks of butter. This was on promotion. I can't remember how much, but if we do go by tomorrow, I will insert, well, I would have inserted that footage in the beginning, so you would have already seen. Yeah, we got 2 of these, what are these called? 2 of these containers of grapes, and these were under 20 bucks each. I'm pretty sure they were 18 bucks, and it's crazy because we bought grapes at Woolworths yesterday for 50 bucks. So yeah. Back there we have a head of cabbage. We have some bananas here in the front, some smoked Viennas, these are the original ones, and some shoulder bacon, 2 packets of those. Back here we have some butternut cubes, and then here we have these mosquito repellent refills, 2 Colgate, what are these called? Toothpaste, the maximum cavity protection and the gel one. And then we have some Stay Soft here. All of them are the baby fragrance because that's the favorite. We have some Domestos. These are the little toilet refills. We have this Mortine mosquito repellent as well. And then back there we have a packet of steel wool. Over here we have 3 Dove roll-ons, and then 3 Domestos. Over here we have a Doom, and then at Dischem my mom picked up an Epimax combo for my sister. She also got a Vaseline combo for herself, some hand wash, and then 2 of these baby Vaseline body lotions. And those, if you watch my empties videos, you know that this is not gonna last me all month, so we're gonna go back and get some more of those. At Pick and Pay we picked up 2 2-liter bottles of Coke, and then we got these stir fry beef strips. And yeah, that is everything that we got. It's getting pretty dark. I think it's gonna rain, but yeah, this is everything that we got today. I'll show you what we get tomorrow. It should be relatively smaller than this, considering we've already purchased for the month. Quick side note, I don't think I mentioned this, but we also got 2 packets of cornflakes. These are like a constant promotion at Makro. Yeah, 1.2 kgs. 2 of them, I'm pretty sure it was for like 120 something. I'll put the price on the screen. Okay, you guys, so today's the next day. We went back to Makro. We also went to Dischem and Pick and Pay. My voice probably sounds worse today, but just bear with me. We got 2 more packets of these 24-pack Baby Soft tissues. These are $109. If you buy tissues, you know that the 18-pack retails for about 100 bucks. Normal. If you get on special, it's like 90 bucks. But yeah, we thought this was a really good deal, so we got 2 more of those. They had a promotion on Pringles, and we got sour cream and onion because this is our favorite flavor. We got 6 of them. It was 6 for $65, I think. Yeah. We got a packet of Fresh Pack, Rooibos tea. We got this lemon juice. This is the one we normally get. We've been getting it for years, and I really want to make like lemon infused desserts, like little cakes. I'll show you everything that I make. I really want to get into baking because I really want to go get my KitchenAid mixer. I'm so excited. So yeah, I want to do a lot more with lemon. We have some smashed potato mash. That's like the sachets. 3 cans of this chakalaka with sweet corn. This was also on promotion, 3 for $45. And then in the front here we have this varnish carpet stain remover. And then we got 4 of these, what are these called? Air fresheners. 1 vanilla passion fruit, 2 cotton fresh, and 1 vanilla and lavender. And then in the front here we got some peanuts, some raisins. Oh my gosh. And then we got some garbage bags. And then moving on to Dischem, we got 4 of these big Nivea lotions. These are on promotion, 2 for, I want to say 140. 2 for 140. I didn't get a video clip of it, so I know I didn't show you, but it was on promotion. 1 retails for I think about $80. So we also got this hygiene liquid. It says it kills 99% of everyday common germs. We got the yellow one last time, so we're trying out the blue one. Got some medication to help out with this situation. Got a little hand sanitizer for the bag and a Zambak for my mom as well. Pick and Pay, we got some meat. So we have this tray of beef poiki, $126.84. And then we have this lamb rib chops, $176.79. We have this packet of wings. There's 12 wings in here for 56 Rand 30 cents. Then we have 2 of these mixed portion packs. I think there's about 6 pieces in here. 38 Rand 90, 36 Rand 80. And then another packet of wings for 55 Rand 20. We got a container of mascarpone because I've been craving tiramisu. And so I really want to make that, but I need another container. So I'm going to go back for that. And then a baby Coke. But yeah, that is everything that I have for you. I'm going to let yesterday's Nicole close out this video. Bye. Okay, so that is everything that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Facebook and on my Instagram. But if you're on Facebook a lot, you can get my videos in your feed. And then you never have to miss a video. Also, don't forget to click on that little notification bell just so that you get notified every time a video goes live. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, my nail, hold on, I'm not flipping it off, okay? My nail broke yesterday. I don't know, I've never broken a nail so bad. It was bleeding so heavily. There we go. It was so painful. But anyway, I'm gonna attempt my end greeting here. So I will see you guys in the next video.